Good luck. 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 Wow, Aaron James. I think this is the first time he entered too. But those 2 spots paid off.
TikTok. TikTok, 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 TikTok. TikTok. Jim. I do have to say, I'm disappointed in you. I've recently been banned from your app due to a video I posted without warning, mind you. If you'd like to see the video, you can. It is still up on my Instagram. I will link it in the bio. In the description, excuse me. But yes, I am disappointed. An app that I had grown to love, maybe developed a slight addiction to, has banned me from their platform. Very sad to say. Now, this may be a reach, but do I dare say it's because of the color of my skin? I don't know. There sure is a lot of racism on there, unfortunately. There sure is a lot of other sexual references on there. That's how we all get here. That's how we all have come to be. Shout out to mom and dad, y'all did what y'all had to do. You feel me? Your boys here. But yeah, truly disappointed. So much so that I have started a petition on change.org. Shout out to them. To reinstate my TikTok. And I would love if you would take the time to go and sign that for me and share this video every way you can. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all that. Wherever you may have some friends that might care for the Dreadlock Wonder, or just freedom of speech for that matter. First Amendment and that. You get me? If you guys would sign my petition, that would be lovely. I would be forever indebted to you, and it is greatly appreciated. With that being said, thank you for watching this video. Today's Dreadlock Wonder Wednesday, and more videos soon come. I'm a designer, you feel me? Got the Christopher kites on and that. The What Would Kobe Do? You feel me? The unreleased 144 harness and that. You feel me? You got all the 144 in the back. This shameless plug time, you heard? That's a fact. Mad things coming soon. Shout out to quarantine, not shout out to Corona. But please, TikTok, please let me get back on the platforms. And I promise I learned my lesson. I've been crying myself to sleep every night, and I would just love if you guys could have me back. No love lost. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye.